Speaker 1.
I realize that people have some worries about robots entering the workplace, but think about robot firefighters, lifeguards, and miners. If robots could do these sorts of jobs, then humans wouldn't need to put themselves at risk while they work. For me, that's a major advantage.
Speaker 2.
I think they'll be a great addition to the workplace. I know that after I've been working for 6 or 7 hours, tiredness sets in. Then I start to work less hard and make more mistakes. Robots, though, don't need to sleep or even take breaks during the day. This means they can work far harder than humans do.
Speaker 3.
In my opinion, there are some negatives to having robots in the workplace. For example, a lot of people get vital exercise from doing their jobs. But if robots do their jobs, then they won't have to lift a finger. The more robots we have in the workplace, the more humans will end up in office jobs where they sit at a desk for 8 hours a day. Jobs like those can lead to major health problems.
Speaker 4.
I work in a factory, and to be honest, the work I do is not very complicated. So I know that one day, probably quite soon, a robot will be invented which can do my job. And it'll be able to do it better and faster than me too. So the company won't need me or anybody else here at the factory. And I'm not sure how I feel about that.